badness go. You know it come down. Vybz Kartel, Likkle Vybz, Likkle Teacha. We're there in Miami. Fully on the brickle. But that's a chill a little. You know it come, God is the greatest. What is under me nose? I'm out. Yeah.
Via subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the one done, the dancehall king, the goat, the Rami is at it again. And this time Vybz Kartel are chill in a Miami with him two son them, Likkle Vybz and Likkle Teacha. And me not tell a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. For see Vybz Kartel take the time out and busy schedule. We spend with him two son them. The clip then a normal, it up and notch, it loud about the cloud at one place at one part, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked in a real life. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. You're a real father. One thing you know left your son them always have that to a point. And right now I have a clip of Popcorn, the unruly boss, and Popcorn outside in the world are living best life in people. And I'm not even gonna talk to you long. I go forward in that clip here and see what Anjay Sutherland are go on with.
It's a moment. You know, a lifestyle. And everything we do a lifestyle, is it? Hard time.
Come on, man. It's a drink stop moment.
Yeah, rum buckle of that drink.
Yeah?
Michael one side, then
East side, yeah?
that time. Hey, what phone in us up?
So people, that was a clip of Popcorn, the unruly boss in London, are living best life. And I'm not telling a lie. One thing with Popcorn, everywhere him turn up, it have to burn up. Everywhere him pull up, get shell down. The clip then a normal, it up and notch. Lord, that was the cloud at one place, at one part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked in a real life. And people, right now we have a clip of Valiant. And Valiant was outside with the team in London, UK. I consume some food in a people. And it's a good look. And I'm not going to talk to you long. Go forward in that clip here and see where Valiant and the team are going with.
And just pick it. Yo, I don't know. It's like how money give me a different feeling. Food. You see food?
Life.
Food is life. And one thing I can tell you about food too, you know. You see food? Leave it there. It's a lot of information. That people are about still.
You see it a bit?
Yeah.
Come in like a rice, I'm sure I take it out.
Pumpkin rice, but you know, the rice thing not good enough, but I have no option over here. I mean, I eat rice. But you see the pumpkin rice, it.
It's a balance. It's a balance.
It's a part of the food group.
Right.
And if you check,
Give
gas is killing me, bro.
No, sorry.
People, I one thing with Valley and the team, you know, there is never a dull moment. Valley, what you say you turn food and nutrition teacher, you know. Big up yourself still. I like how you take the time out of your busy schedule to go consume some food with the team from day one. The clip on a normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked in a real life. Big up yourself, Valiant. You do it for the culture from your jump out. You never look back. And I'm not going to talk to you long, my people. I go forward in another clip here and see what Valiant and the team are going with over in London, UK.
Pick up that fucker bingy and say, fucking in the man. Bumba clad.
The chicken sucker.
You want this?
Yeah, that's good.
You want this?
Long time I use a knife, dog. You see me, when I use knife and fork, I look too professional. Bad enough? Bad enough? Bad enough? One more bottle of water, still. What am I thinking there? How are they white sitting there?
Okay. I might.
Overrated that. Overrated that. Can I get two waters? Yeah, 2 waters. Where you from, lad?
I'm from Jamaica. I'm from here, but
Which part of Jamaica?
I'm Spanish town.
Spanish? Which part of Spain
Not
town?
Spanish town. What's it called? You know, Bagua.
Yeah.
That's where I'm from.
Vincent side, Bagua.
Fruit.
Fruit punch.
Hey bro, can I get one more serving of raw veg, please, and vegetable? Yeah, because the rice is going to overtake my intake.
More salad.
More salad. This I take 2 bomb buckles. One knife and fucking. Mama girl, you love food still?
People when I tell a lie, Valiant a really sample man in a man. The man dash down the knife and say, yo, this a go take too long. Yard man style. Fuck alone. And people that even got talk to you like, I could forward that clip and see what I go on.
You never know that. The skin girl them always love food, dog. Them love food. They love food. Now when the food are going to them food too, blood.
So people, that was a clip of Valiant and the team in London, UK. I consumed some food and I'm not gonna lie, there was never a dull moment during that clip. Talk truth now people. Big up yourself, Valiant and the team. Now do it for the culture. And right now I have a clip of Silk Boss and Cash Promise Move linking up. And people, Cash Promise Move I try hold the note them was Silk Boss wall. And I'm not even gonna talk too long. I can forward another clip here and see what them are going on.
What the fuck? Get a youth.
So people, that was a clip of Cash Promise Move and Silk Boss linking up, and I'm not gonna lie, there was never a dull moment during that link up. Talk truth now people. Cash, I try hold the note them a Silk Boss hold. But me personally feel like say a Silk Boss alone can hold them note. They talk truth to people. The clip that normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick in a real life. Big up yourself, Cash Promise Move. Big up yourself, Silk Boss. And right now I have a clip of Bleega, and Bleega outside I clear the ear and I get a lot of I'm chasing up people. And him never tell a lie. And I'm not going to talk too long. I can forward another clip here and see what Bleega are going with.
Accept what Father God put your youth. You hear that? You can't want accept riches, but you don't want accept sufferation, youth. You can't want accept winnings, but you don't want accept losses. Or you feel like you're going to reach to the next level, my friend. You have to accept what I'm going right now. And at them time, the Father God go come and walk me the door, brother. Because sister, you appreciate and accept what I want for your youth. I want to you. And when Father God put you through the door, dog, don't feel like say you're going to just get rich. No. He might go put you on all these luxurious things. He might go put you on all these diamond and gold. But you can't touch it. And you have to push yourself and make yourself reach on that level there, my friend. Accept what you're doing right now in a life, youth. I want to you. And you see if the thing not get better. Just tell yourself, say, here what I want. I accept it, you know, even though I'm not good enough. I want to you.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Bleega clearing the ear and getting a lot off his chest. And people are seeing him say going in real life. I know, say watch I know. We accept you, but we not work with you. We have to push on. And people, we're not going to talk to you long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans, them, spam up a comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel and his two sons, Likkle Vybz and Likkle Teacha, a whole of vibe in a Miami. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah, man. I want to see all of Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans and all of the dancehall fans, them. I spam up a comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment. Like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Sian, and I'm out.
Sian Entertainment Review. Sian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Sian Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art. Sian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. Sian on the prayer. Don't know how big it and I represent for Sian Entertainment Reviews. What we're enough to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel. Like and comment and share to a friend. I will give you outside.